Hi everyone. Today I thought I'd go over a spring flushed cheek look, and who doesn't want a flushed cheek now when spring is around the corner? We're having more sunshine, more warm days than we have in a long time, and I just love how it feels so good. It makes me feel optimistic and positive to have that flush of color. It also is reminiscent of health and youth, and it just feels as if you're oxygenated and you're healthy, or you just exercised. And today I'm going to show you a flush cheek with Bichette. Back in stock, baby. A gorgeous red. I love using my baby blender brush because it gives me much more control and precision when I want to do a specific, cheek like that. And I dab into my bullet using my baby blender brush. And you can always wipe a little bit on your hand to see if, you have too much on your brush or too little. It's always better to build as opposed to having too much and not being able to, quite manage that. So I like to go gently, horizontally in an oval shape across my cheekbone, okay? I find the apple of my cheek. If you have any imperfection, which I do, I have pigmentation, I have all kinds of things, you can always address it after, with your little spot check brush, but just focus on the shape and being really soft and creating this gorgeous, it's kind of like a Downton Abbey or a Bridgerton kind of cheek that I think of. It makes you feel just so delicate. It's very feminine. And if you have bags under your eyes, a good trick is to bring the cheek color up a tiny bit higher. It's also cute with a tiny, tiny, tiny bit on your bridge of your nose, just a touch. I love Bichette so much. It's such a fresh color, and it works on any skin tone. It works on very fair to medium to deep. And it also creates this really nice idea that your skin is healthier than it is when you have really beautiful cheeks, because it just feels like the contrast creates this really nice kind of idea of a flawless complexion. Okay, so I like that amount. You can go, obviously it's up to you, you can go more flushed or less flushed. So I'm gonna add some tiny bit to my lips. Using my baby blender again. I'm gonna show you two ideas I have. And using the baby blender creates this really nice kind of velvety stain, which I really like. Okay, so that's my Bichette, and I'm going to add a bit of Lit Up in Lit, just to make my skin seem really super ethereal. And I'm really trying to channel Bridgerton, but my outfit is completely wrong for Bridgerton. Bridge of the nose. So it'll look like I've been, doing a really great yoga class or something. Okay, now I feel like I've got my complexion going. I might need to just fix the one little pigmentation that I have that I see that keeps popping out right here. With my spot check brush using Vital Skin 2. Okay, and lastly, I thought I might just pop on a bit of lip suede in the bricky color because it's such a nice spring tone. So I'm gonna use this shade here, okay? That's the brick. But you could, leave it like this, or you could add more Bichette, but I just feel like, why not? It also, again, the contrast with the skin and the cheek is so pretty. That's it. That's my spring flushed cheek. Okay, what do you think? Good? All right, thanks for watching. Bye.